So here's how to save projects on CapCut PC. It's actually quite easy to do, so make sure you watch to the end and don't skip any important steps. For this, first you will need to log into your CapCut PC account. After that, you have to simply click on the import option to import your media. Once you load your media here, now you have to simply use the extensive library of the CapCut tools to make changes on it or simply edit your video. Here you can add filters, transitions, effects, or add simply text onto your video. Now to save your progress within CapCut PC while editing your project, you have to simply click on the Ctrl S from your keyboard. Once you click these two keys, now your project will be successfully saved. However, if you forgot to save your video, then you don't need to worry about it. CapCut features auto save option. It will automatically save your video. This feature of CapCut makes you free from the stress of saving the video. So that's how to save a project on CapCut PC.